Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello YouTuber Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you what are the Python scope and their explanation. Let's go for the practice term. In Python, the term scope refers to the region of a program where a particular identifier which is valid and can be accessed. So it has several types of scope, global, local, built-in, something like this. So variables defined outside of any functions or classes have global scope. They can be accessed from any part of the program which inside and outside the function. So how? If we declare the global variable, so global var is a variable that's hold this 10. It is called the global variable we declare. So define my function is a function name, print global variable. It will print the only the output the global variable. See this, the local variables defines within a function have local scope. They can only be accessed within that function. So how it, if we define inside the function, that is inside the function, but before we include outside the function, here we have created the function, then outside we declare the variable, and next local variable we declare the variable inside the function. So it print this. Then enclosing or non-local scope, if a function is defined within the another functions, it comes a nested scope. So let's go for the practical terms. So if we declare inside the functions variables, the inner function that is only just name, not other things, we declare the variable name. So non-local outlier outer variable, that is the variable name. So print this and it will print 30. Which value? This is the 30 value non-local. And the nested scope, before we include or we started the nested things, what is that? It's a function, also inner function or function we have created inner or inside the functions. Here we declare at any function. Again inside the function we declare another function, that is called the nested function or nested loop or the nested scope. So that's why it is run this built-in scope. Python has a built-in scope that contains names like print, length, etc. If we declare this, how many length it has? It has a 3, 1 to 3. Output will be printed 3. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much to build up in a Python programmer.